Trent Brown here with Empire Roofing. I wanted to take a minute and talk about some of the maintenance programs that we offer here at Empire Roofing. We offer both the residential and the commercial maintenance programs. So for your home, we're going to talk about maintenance things for your home. Those include items like moss treatments, inspection of sealants that have cracked or broken. We're also going to talk about potential leaks, pipe boots, those sort of things. Other problem areas that might pop up during that area, during that time. We're going to look at all of those things to make sure that you have proper maintenance on your home. Next part, every roof's different, right? Your roof might be different than my roof. So your roof might have trees that overhang, that grows moss on it. So every roof is unique in its own aspect. Some are steeper, some are lower sloped roofs. So those take different types of maintenance. So we want to make sure that when we come out, we look at those different areas of concern that might be concerning to you so that we can address them properly. So that's what we're going to do, is we're going to come out, take a look, and see what areas of concern most impact you and your home, because every home is unique, just like you. Let's talk commercial maintenance. Commercial maintenance is very important. We're going to want to get up there and see what areas are causing you the most pain points in your roof. So that's part of what we're going to do. We're going to get up there and we're going to inspect that roof for you to see what's causing those potential problems. So whether it's your home or your commercial property, let Empire Roofing take care of your maintenance needs.